Hey guys, let's see today you have to fix this issue because some iPhone users reporting that auto reply while driving not sending text on iPhone. So guys, it's very simple fix, just you have to perform two steps. So just follow my video and you can perform on the simple two steps on your iPhone. Tap on settings and now try to find focus. Yeah, you can see over your focus, just tap on it. And guys, if you already set the driving focus, just tap on it. And now guys, you can just see over your auto reply, so just tap on it. And guys, please make sure that you have to select all contacts. You can see over here, in my case it selected favorites, so that's what is not sending text. Just please make sure you have to select all contacts. And after that, the second step which you have to perform, again go to settings back and now try to find message. Just try to find message and you can see over here messages, just tap on it. And now guys, you can just see over here the focus. Please make sure you have to turn on, just tap to turn on guys. Yeah, so guys, this way you can fix your issue. After that, auto reply while driving sending text on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.